Dimensional becomes second firm to win SEC ETF-Mutual Fund Hybrid Approval. ETFs. SEC. The SEC approved Dimensional Fund Advisors to offer ETF and mutual fund share classes within the same structure, becoming the second firm after Vanguard to secure this hybrid capability. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. The Securities and Exchange Commission granted Dimensional Fund Advisors approval to offer exchange-traded fund share classes alongside traditional mutual fund shares, making it the second asset manager, after Vanguard, to secure this capability. The November 17th order grants Dimensional exemptions that enable open-end management investment companies to operate both ETF classes and mutual fund classes within the same fund structure, positioning the firm as the first to deploy this model for actively managed products. Dimensional filed its initial application in July 2023 and submitted 3 amendments before receiving final approval. The SEC's order exempts the firm from several provisions of the Investment Company Act of 1940, including sections governing share pricing, redemptions, and certain affiliated transactions. 90 firms await similar approvals. Nearly 90 other asset managers have filed applications seeking identical capabilities, according to several ETF analysts. The approval signals potential momentum for a broader wave of hybrid fund structures across the industry. Nate Geraci, co-founder of ETF Store, noted that Dimensional holds a competitive edge as the first firm authorized to apply this model to actively managed strategies. While Vanguard pioneered the structure, its primary focus remains passive index funds. Dimensional's approval extends the framework into active management, where fund companies typically generate higher fees and maintain greater differentiation from competitors. James Seifert, senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, predicted an imminent surge of approvals for firms awaiting similar authorizations. The hybrid model allows asset managers to offer lower-cost ETF shares alongside traditional mutual fund shares, which can potentially attract investors seeking tax efficiency and intraday trading without forcing existing mutual fund shareholders to convert. Solana ETF competition intensifies. VanEck launched the third U.S. Solana staking ETF on Monday, entering a field where Bitwise and Grayscale have collectively captured over $380 million since late October. The VanEck Solana ETF, trading under the ticker VSOL, has waived its 0.3% management fee through February 17th, or until assets reach $1 billion. Fidelity is set to debut its Solana ETF, ticker FSOL, on November 19th with a 25 basis point fee. Canary Funds will launch its Solana ETF, ticker SOLC, the same day, in partnership with Marinade Finance for on-chain staking. Balcunas emphasized Fidelity's scale advantage as the largest asset manager competing in this category, noting BlackRock's absence from the Solana market despite its dominance in Bitcoin ETFs. Bitwise Solana ETF, ticker BSOL, currently leads with approximately $450 million in assets under management. Grayscale has also entered the Solana ETF lineup alongside the new entrants. Regulatory shift signals broader industry integration. The hybrid model addresses long-standing friction between mutual fund investors seeking tax efficiency and ETF investors requiring traditional share class options. The approval builds on the SEC's September streamlining initiative that eliminated case-by-case reviews for crypto ETF applications, dramatically accelerating product launches across the digital asset space. Today, the SEC also removed crypto from its examination priorities for 2026, indicating that digital assets are no longer considered a special risk area requiring heightened supervisory focus. Industry observers view the removal as a tacit acknowledgement that crypto markets have matured sufficiently to warrant treatment comparable to other established asset classes under the agency's standard regulatory framework. Digital asset investment products have recently declined amid the general market bear that saw Bitcoin slip below $90,000 today from $126,000 October ADH. Last week, these investment products saw $2 billion in outflows, marking the heaviest weekly withdrawals since February. The 3-week streak resulted in cumulative outflows of $3.2 billion amid sharp price declines across major cryptocurrencies. Total assets under management in digital asset ETPs dropped 27% from their early October peak of $264 billion to $191 billion. US-based products accounted for $1.97 billion of last week's outflows, while others also recorded notable outflows. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Bitcoin price falls as analysts point to hidden losses by a big player. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Binance Coin by the end of 2025. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum by the end of 2025. Bitcoin news. World's smartest man forecasts Bitcoin to reach $220,000 in the next 45 days. 1 day ago, by Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? 13 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. ETF hype dies fast as sellers crush XRP. What happens if $2.22 support fails? 18 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 27 minutes ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 13 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 20 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 7 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 hour ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 day ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.